Hi, how have you been? I am Noor from English Planet with Noor. How are you today? Today we're gonna discuss a new topic of English, which is family. Tell me about your family. How many brothers do you have? And how many sisters do you have? How does your father do? And how does your mother do? Who are members of your family? And how many members of your family? Let's see in this video and let's answer all these questions. Let's get started and don't go anywhere. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss a new topic about the family. Let me introduce you my family. Who is that? That is my father, and his name is John. My father John. He works as a doctor. He's a doctor. She's my mother. Her name is Sarah. She works as a teacher, like Miss Noor. I'm a teacher. That is my bro or brother. He works an engineer, and his name is Green, Mr. Green. He works as an engineer. She's my sister, and her name is Jane. She's a student at primary school. This is me. My name is Noor. I'm a teacher. That is my grandfather. Look, I live with my father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, and we have pet animals at our homes like Tofa, and that's my cat. It's white, as I told you before at the previous episodes. Look at the link down below the video and you can get to the episode which I was talking about the pet animals. That is my dog or puppy, and my puppy's name is Ray. Great. Do you have a pet animal? Tell me about the type of your pet animals in your home. Do you have a dog or a cat or a rat or a bird? Great. Fantastic. Can you tell me what's your pet animal's name? What's your pet animal's name? Ooh, wow, nice names. It's fantastic and so great. I'm really so happy and glad to recognize all the members of your families and what are their jobs. And now we have reached to the end of our episode today. Fortunately, I have to go. See you later, alligator. Bye bye bye. If you like this video and you really learned something new, don't forget to thumb the video up. Share this video with your friends to learn more as you learned. Bye.